Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D stacked bar chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the 3D stacked bar chart. At first, select data, click and drag on your mouse. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am select the all chart. Now I am select the bar option and select the 3D stacked bar. Now I am select the 3D stacked bar and click OK. Now we can see we add the 3D stacked bar. You can rename the chart title. Click inside the chart text box and rename this. Now I am rename the chart title. Otherwise you can change the style. Select the chart design menu and you can see here many style. You can change the style. Otherwise you can change the color of the chart. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.